Welcome to my channel RB's Crafting. Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, I will tell you about resin business. So watch the video till end and don't forget to subscribe. Unboxing material required to start a resin business. I ordered all the necessary material. Let's open the parcels one by one. Here is the first parcel. Let's see what is inside it. It is a resin kit. You can order it from Daraz or any other site. Different shining pigments. Pack of droppers, spoons, and mixers. Hand drill. Use it to fabricate holes in resin material. Some hooks. Bangle mold. Pendant molds. These are also pendant molds. You can use it to make earrings and pendants. Bowl mold. Ring mold. Also pendant and earring mold. Let's see what is inside second parcel. Key rings. It's a silver chain. Some jump rings. Hooks. Chain. Again, pendant and earrings mold. Jump rings. Earring hooks. Golden, metallic, and silver foil. Pin mold. Most important thing, resin and hardener. Glitters. Cups. Now I am going to make a pendant. First take resin. Add into cup. Add amount of hardener according to given ratio. I will add equal amount of hardener as the required ratio is 1.1. Mix it well. Add color according to your choice. Mix the color. Add any glitter if you want. Pour the mixture inside mold. Add some dry flowers to make it beautiful. Add any foil. Add a layer of resin on it. If bubbles appear, Remove them with heat gun. After 24 hours. Here it is. Golden paint marker. Use it to highlight the boundary. Chain in it. Attach the hook. It's ready. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.